guys, it's been a long month. We've been in quarantine and it's been my birthday in April. So I think I've lost a bit control over my shopping. Up until probably 3 weeks ago, I didn't even know I wanted that. But something changed. After hearing some of Dave's friends talking about it, I went to look at the new Nintendo Switch Lite. I had a look online and immediately I felt like I really wanted it. I've spent probably a couple of weeks thinking about that, looking at the different colors, at the different games. At the end, I got the Coral one. Here it is. I've been looking for a bundle where I could get the Nintendo console and a game, and I really wanted to try Animal Crossing, so I got a bundle where they had the Nintendo Switch Lite in Coral with the Animal Crossing game. So I couldn't be happier than that. Can't wait to play it. That's why I was such in a rush to do this unboxing. I'm supposed actually to go food shopping now, but we'll do this first. So here's the box. Let's just open it. It looks so pretty. My camera, luckily, in this room, it's so faithful to colors, so I can tell you that I am quite sure that the color is the one that you are looking at now. You can see the reflection of some posters. I forgot to tell at the beginning of the video, I am not in my room, obviously. I am in my stepson's room, so that's why you see like Avengers bed sheets and posters. It's such a nice room to record up here. We are in the loft, it's really quiet, there's a perfect light. But let's go back to the Nintendo Switch Lite. I love this color, like honestly I really love this color. It's really lightweight in your hands. Apart from the console itself, we have the instruction and of course the charger. As I said, with my bundle I got the Animal Crossing game. And I never get to open this properly, like they always break somehow. And like, you know, when you watch an unboxing and people just literally open them like that. Well, it never happens to me. All of this case just for this tiny little thing. It's just funny. It's so cute. She's got pink hair. I might just make myself with pink hair, who knows. I am definitely going to upload something more about the Nintendo Switch Lite, especially when I'm going to play Animal Crossing for the moment, because it's the only game I have. So I might do some gameplay or just, you know, a review about the game, because I feel like a lot of people might just feel the same as me, that don't really know what this game is about. So yeah, I will let you know what I think about that. I am so happy with this Nintendo Switch Lite. It looks so pretty. I don't know how many times I've said that, but yeah, I'm really happy. That's everything for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!